Take a look at these photos. Each one telling a unique story in detail and color, commanding more and more of your attention the longer you look at it. Now, you may not have known that pictures of homes can evoke such a strong sense of warm, cozy feelings.
Yeah, but some of them seem to invite you inside and create your own memories. And that is the mission of Svetlana Leahy Photography. And what better time to introduce Svetlana Leahy herself. She is the owner and photographer with Svetlana Leahy Photography. She's joined by Alina Sebastian, the administrative assistant. Thank you both for joining us this afternoon.
Okay.
So first of all, can you talk about your background in photography?
Oh, sure. About 15 years ago, I actually started in real estate. I was taking pictures for our own listings, and this is how I actually started.
And you work with a team?
Correct. We have a very small but very dedicated team.
I was going to say, you seem very proud of your dedicated team.
Yes, I am.
Why?
Of course. They do a wonderful job.
Yeah.
We've been together for quite a while now, and I would not have done without them.
So it seems like you're very fascinated with photography, and specifically taking pictures of homes and rooms and things like that. What is it about it that you find so fascinating?
I guess I love the result that my job brings. I love seeing homes sold or rented if it is a vacation rental. I love when we have happy builders, interior designers, architects. They see their vision brought to life via my photography. You can potentially drive by the property and see the exterior of the custom-built home, but the only way to see the inside is through the photography.
Wow, how about that? Alina, let me ask you something. How does the team work together to help the clients for a project?
Oh, each member of our team is very particular in the services we provide.
Yeah.
And Svetlana does an amazing job with all the photography, including like twilights. This is her, it's just breathtaking when you see these, images. When we have also 3D tours, we have an amazing drone pilot, and we provide the property websites and, back on the back office, all the answers, and we guide them through all the work process and stages.
And you guys are very detail oriented, aren't you?
We are very detailed oriented.
And that's important, isn't it?
Yes, we are a little bit OCD, I would say. But that's very important. When you look at the image, you want to see all the details, but not in a scattered way. Everything has to be organized, properly styled and staged, and we do have a stager and a stylist on our team as well who helped with that process.
Oh, that's neat.
So if there's somebody who's interested in working with you, how do they get on board?
So if anyone is interested in our services, they can certainly contact us via a phone number, email. If you would like to see our work, please visit our website, SvetlanAleahy.com.
It's worth looking at, and we are going to have a link to your website from our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Trust us, you're going to want to take a look at some of the pictures that you have there. Thank you so much, Alina and Svetlana, for coming in.
Thank you.